Hey guys, and welcome to another grammar lesson right here on Learn English with Ruth. Remember that this is part of my 30 days grammar lesson, basic grammar lesson for English learners at the beginning stage of their learning or those who want to brush up on their grammar. So we've been looking at adverbs, and then we said that an adverb is a word that modifies, means it adds more meaning to a verb, an adjective, or another adverb in a sentence. We've looked at the types of adverbs. We said we have adverb of manner, which answers the question how. We've looked at adverb of time. Today, we're looking at adverb of frequency, which answers the question how often. Now, let's look at it. Now, adverbs of frequency, they are those that show how often an action is done. For example, we have some examples here. We have often, seldom, always, frequently, sometimes, and occasionally. These are the types of adverbs. These are types of adverbs of frequency. Now, one important thing I want to point out here is that sometimes we can mistake adverb of frequency for adverb of time, but those are not the same. And so, adverb of time answers when something is done, today, tomorrow, while adverb of frequency tells us how often it is done. Sometimes, always, and so on and so forth. So I just wanted to clarify that so that you don't have issues. One important thing to note about this adverb is that it comes before or after the verb to be. For example, he occasionally visits us. You notice that the verb to be, this is the verb, right? And then occasionally is the adverb. So it means he comes around once in a while, once in a blue moon, as an August visitor. Now, the next sentence is, he always makes noise in class. He always makes a noise in class. Now, always means he does it all the time. And don't we all have that one student that will not keep quiet? So he always makes a noise in class. And if you notice, a noise has an article. So a noise is not makes noise, it makes a noise. So it needs its article to sound grammatically correct. The next sentence is, sometimes I visit the gym. Do I now? Sometimes I visit the gym. Do I visit the gym? Do I not visit the gym? I don't know. But then this is the sentence example. Sometimes I visit the gym. It means I can do it maybe 2 times a week, once a month, depending on how I'm available or depending on my availability. Okay guys, so this is all for adverb of frequency. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye guys.